Hey everyone, okay, so today is Friday and I'm actually going to be doing a review of this brand new foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the brand new one, the brand new one. I don't even know the name of it, but I know that it's matte. So we'll do a demo, you'll see it all now. So my first impressions was that this is a full coverage foundation and it can be made very full. But you all know me, I don't like to use things to that degree unless I have to, but you certainly can. This is a matte foundation and gives a matte effect to the skin. What's quite remarkable about this product is even though it's a full coverage foundation, it isn't cakey or thick or heavy, although it actually pumps out quite thick. But when you actually start to shear it out and blend it, it's pretty beautiful. But the thing I love the most about a matte foundation is when you start to add all the other products back, you start to get this balance to the face. An entirely dewy face is pretty unnatural. So is, or unpleasant, depending on how you look at it, and an entirely matte face is not very attractive in my opinion. But balancing the matte and the shine, I think gives the most beautiful look. This stuff is really good. I'm so impressed. I really am. I didn't know if I'd like it. I really like it. I think it's absolutely amazing and I think it's really worth you checking out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.